What was your first reaction when you heard the announcement about the Space Force being stood up? Because it was kind of
Yeah.
we had heard some inklings of it, but it's like, what is this? And gee, the way it was described in some circles was we're going to have
Yep.
Guardians and TIE fighters slugging it out with the bad guys in space, and in other circles it was a little more temperate. Of
Yeah.
we're basically going to be observing satellites and protecting our interests in orbit and so forth.
Yeah. It was exciting because, as you know, right, Washington was a little undecided on where we were to go, whether or not, it was we could afford it, whether or not there was momentum and understanding, if you will, of whether or not we needed a separate service. So when we finally got the word and that it was going to happen, I was pretty excited because I said I've been doing this work for a while, and I was fortunate enough to kind of see the evolution of where we were going, in the domain, and that from a military perspective, that there were some concerning activities that were happening, especially for some of our competitors, that were making it, a warfighting domain. And I can say that freely now, that space is a warfighting domain as an independent service.